Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Looker Studio dashboards for e-commerce KPIs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Looker Studio dashboards for e-commerce KPIs, start by logging into your Looker Studio account. Once logged in, click on the Create button located in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Report. A new window will open prompting you to choose a data source. Click on Add a data source to link your e-commerce data. You can select data from Google Analytics, Google Ads, or any other relevant data connector. If you haven't set up a data source yet, click on Create New Data Source. Follow the prompts to connect to your e-commerce platform. After setting up your data source, click on Add to Report to include it in your dashboard. With the data source linked, begin adding charts and tables to visualize your KPIs. To add a chart, go to the toolbar and select the chart type that best represents your data. Drag and drop the chart onto your report canvas. In the data properties on the right, choose the dimensions and metrics relevant to your e-commerce KPIs. For example, you can select sales revenue, conversion rate, or average order value. Customize the chart further. Use text boxes to label each section clearly, making it easy for viewers to understand. Once you are satisfied with your dashboard layout, click on the View button at the top right to preview it. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure clarity and visual appeal. When ready to share, click on the Share button to configure the sharing settings. You can allow others to view or edit the report as needed. Finally, click Done to save your dashboard. Your Looker Studio dashboard is now activated and ready to track your e-commerce KPIs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.